Are you looking for the best wireless Bluetooth earbuds under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best wireless Bluetooth earbuds under $100. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anker Soundcore Space A40 Truly Wireless. The Anker Soundcore Space A40 Truly Wireless are the best earbuds under $100 we've tested. These buds are jam-packed with active features like adaptive active noise cancelling, ANC, multi-device pairing, and companion app support that help them stand out from other earbuds in the same price range. They also support LDAC, Sony's proprietary codec for high-res audio, and have a game mode, which can help lower latency if you're gaming or streaming video. These comfortable and well-built buds have a warm sound that you can customize using the app's graphic EQ and presets. Whether you're taking the train or working at a busy office, they can also block out an outstanding amount of ambient noise so that you can focus on your audio. With their ANC on, they have more than 8 hours of continuous battery life, and their carrying case supplies an additional 4 charges, which is handy in a pinch. However, like many Bluetooth earbuds, they aren't ideal for phone calls. Their integrated mix recording quality is poor, causing your voice to sound far away and sharp. Reduce noise by up to 98%. Space A40 has an upgraded noise cancelling system to block out a wider range of distracting noises. So wherever you go, you'll always have the space you need to focus. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Buds FE Truly Wireless. If sound quality is your top priority, consider the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE Truly Wireless instead. These earbuds offer solid build quality and a comfortable design. Out of the box, they have a more neutral sound profile than the previous pick, and their excellent bass accuracy means your audio has body and punch without overwhelming instruments and vocals. They support Samsung's proprietary audio codec for high-quality audio streaming, which requires a compatible Samsung device, but other devices can use AAC and SBC codecs. They also have EQ if you prefer a different sound, though you can only use them when connected to an Android device. However, while they have great ANC, it isn't as good at blocking out the rumble of engines as the Anker Soundcore Space A40 Truly Wireless. Their continuous battery life of around 6 hours is also on the short side, so you'll have to top up the battery in the case during long workdays. Unlike the pricier options listed here, they don't have any virtual surround sound features or support for multi-device pairing. They also don't have volume control by default, which can be frustrating when adjusting the volume on the fly. Includes 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. They say hola, you hear hello. Now you can communicate freely with someone in another language. Use the interpreter feature on your Galaxy phone to hear real-time translations through your Galaxy Buds during face-to-face conversations. Superscript 1. Phone 2 ER, translations you hear, phoning a relative back home or calling in reservations while traveling. Break down language barriers with Galaxy Buds and live translate. Using the Samsung phone app, hear real-time translations through your Buds. Superscript 1. Designed for comfort. Shaped to fit, listen comfortably all day with the new wingtip design that keeps your buds in place. Number 3. Skullcandy Push Active True Wireless. Consider the Skullcandy Push Active True Wireless if you're looking for earbuds to take to the gym. These comfortable buds have ear hooks, which help them stay in your ears during runs and workouts. They're well built and are certified IP55 for resistance against dust and direct water exposure, so a run in the rain or on the beach won't hurt them. They have a longer continuous battery life of over 9 hours, and their carrying case supplies more than 3 charges for top-ups when you need them. These buds have a bass-rich sound to help keep you pumped up during difficult reps. If you prefer a different sound, they have a companion app with a graphic EQ and presets to help you fine-tune them. Unfortunately, they don't have ANC and struggle to block out bass range noise like car engine rumbles, which can be annoying if you're jogging along a busy street. If you don't like the look and feel of ear hook headphones, try the Jabra Elite 3 True Wireless instead. They have a smaller earbud design and can even reduce more ambient sound. However, their in-ear fit isn't as stable. SkullIQ Smart Feature Technology activate hands-free voice control or other voice assistants like Alexa by downloading the SkullIQ app. Worry-free wireless, we included tile finding technology to make it easy to track down either earbuds if you ever misplace one. Just download the Tile app and simply ring for your buds. Built for adventures, with comfortable ear hangers and an IP55 sweat and water resistant rating, take your push active earbuds with you on any outdoor adventure or workout. Number 4. OnePlus Buds 3 Truly Wireless. The best Bluetooth earbuds under $100 for work we've tested are the OnePlus Buds 3 Truly Wireless. These earbuds have an integrated mic with a much better recording quality than the Anker Soundcore Space A40 Truly Wireless, so your voice sounds clearer over the phone. They also have a good noise handling performance, so background conversations and clacking keyboards won't drown out your voice. They support multi-device pairing, so you don't have to repair the buds whenever you switch between your phone and computer. Out of the box, they have a bass-heavy sound profile that muddies mixes a bit. Still, they reproduce voices clearly, and you can adjust the sound with an in-app graphic EQ and presets. Their ANC feature does a good job of reducing office-type noise, so you can focus on your work, although they won't block out as much noise overall as the Anker. They also have a shorter continuous battery life of just under 7 hours, so if you plan to use them all day, you'll need to pop them back in their case for a recharge at some point. Dual dynamic drivers experience deep bass and crisp highs with 10.4mm woofers and 6mm tweeters, enhanced by basswave technology. Personalized audio experience. Tailor your audio experience with OnePlus Audio ID 2.0, which creates a custom sound profile based on your unique hearing. Number 5. Beats Flex Wireless. The Beats Flex Wireless are the best Bluetooth earbuds for iPhone under $100 that we've tested. These colorful neck cable earbuds have some Apple-centric features worth considering if you're an iPhone user. Unlike other picks on this list, they have a W1 chip to let you quickly pair them with iOS devices. They have low latency with iOS devices, so your audio and video will be in sync if you watch a video on your phone. Their comfortable and stable in-ear fit makes them suitable for jogs in the park. Fans of EDM and hip-hop can especially enjoy their bass-heavy sound profile, which delivers rumble, punch, and boom to mixes. Their mid-range response is fairly flat, so vocals and lead instruments are still present in your mixes. However, their companion app has no sound customization features, so you can't adjust the sound to suit you. On the plus side, they last for roughly 11 hours of continuous playback time and fully charge up in just over an hour. Even though they don't have ANC, and they struggle to block out bass range noise like bus engine rumbles, they do a better job when it comes to isolating you from ambient chatter. Battery life up to 12 hours of listening time. Customized fit all-day comfort with FlexForm cable and 4 ear tip options. Apple headphone chip powered by the Apple W1 headphone chip for seamless connectivity. The music stops when you do magnetic earbuds with autoplay/pause. Listen with a friend. Audio sharing lets you wirelessly share audio with another pair of Beats headphones or AirPods. Extended wireless range. Class 1 Bluetooth for extended range and fewer dropouts. On-device controls for music, calls, and voice assistant.